Body tab. There are two presets. Body sliders are unisex. On the right are the options. Top enter texture mode. Below that are color options. Below are the sliders for the body, neck, head, hands, arms, fingers, legs, feet, chest, waist, shoulders, collarbone and torso. Texture edit. Left are the layers, plus icon to add layers, image icon to import textures, right-click to see more options. Bleau are the color options. Next window is the model preview and tool options. Next window is the texture and mirror option. Next window you'll find the brush options, color wheel and picker and layer settings. To exit, press the X on the top left corner. This will pop up a window with options to save as new item. To overwrite the current texture or to exit without saving any edits.